Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to change the alarm sound on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings app to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Next, scroll down and choose the Sound and Vibration option on the screen. This menu contains additional options for customizing your sound and vibration features. Step 3. Now scroll down the menu to locate the alarm sound option. Tap on it to view all the alarm sounds on the screen. Step 4. For the last and most important step, tap on the alarm sound option you like, then tap on the Save option to change the alarm sound instantly. Do you have to turn off the alarm sound? Go to the alarm sound, tap on None, and select the Save option to remove the alarm sound. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.